Hi, this is Derek Daly, and this is my C6 video. Let's start immediately by explaining this 1-bit shift circuit. So this circuit allows you to shift the bits either left or right by 1 bit. This is accomplished using a switch. As you can see, if high, then it'll shift to the left, and if low, it'll shift to the right. So as you can see, it's currently shifting 1 bit to the left. That's exactly what you'd expect. 1 bit to the right, it's also exactly what you'd expect. So the strategy behind this actually is to use 5 multiplexers in order to sort out the data inputs and also, as stated previously, the switches. So as you can see, we wire up the inputs to the mux that is 2 below and the one directly in front of it, and the use of grounds on the first and fourth. This essentially will allow us to shift depending on this switch. So now that we know the strategy for that, we could better understand the 4-mode 1-bit shifter. So as you can see, using these two switches this time, we could change between the 4 modes of shifting. So let's try that real quick. We'll do 0, 1, 1, 0 yet again. Shift left, exactly what you would expect. No change, also what you expect. 1, 0. Alright. Perfect. So, as you can see, it's pretty much the same as the last one, except now we just have multiple modes. So, let's check the strategy behind this one. It is a little hairier due to the fact that we have to use 4-to-1 multiplexers, just in order for simplicity at least. And we wire up the 2 switches into their matching inputs on the muxes, and as you can see, our 4 data inputs. We use the help of ground to fill in for the missing gaps, and generally each one would go into the mux in front of it, into the most significant bit of the one above, and the 2 least significant for the one below to also implement the shift. And yeah, so the difference between a logical and arithmetic shift is that in a logical shift, I guess we'll talk about a right shift. For example, it'll backfill with a 0, while an arithmetic will backfill with the most significant bit, and if it's to the left, it'll fill from the other side the same way essentially. So that is the difference. And yeah, as you can see, muxes are very helpful to filter out the flow of data, and yeah, very good for helping us make these shifters. Yep, so that is my C6 video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.